back for another recording. I've been away off the charts this past couple of days. Last time I traded was Wednesday, which was good. Obviously had recordings for videos that I've pre-recorded for the couple of days that I'll be off, which everything has gone out. So I had yesterday to relax with the last video coming out, and today is now going to be my recording for the next week where I will not be at the charts. So we'll have how many more days of July before we start a new series? We will have another 4 days. So the 5th video that I will record will be the next month. So yeah, how quick has that gone? We'll just check how many videos we'll have. Okay, we hit 900 subs. I didn't even notice. That's nice. Good job. So we got 20. So by the end of this month, we'll be on 25. So when did we start?
On time.
Started on the 8th and haven't missed a single upload. So yeah, quite impressive. We did have one video that kind of blew up a little bit. The last daily buys video that you made, obviously. People love things being given to them for free. But yeah, all these videos are sourced, especially this last one here. Consequent encroachment decoded, precision and fair value gaps. So that came out yesterday. So this one is going to be not chart related because I haven't been at the charts. It's going to be something that I've struggled with for a while, and I'm going to speak this into existence that this is the last system that I will need to enable me to wake up. Basically I've been okay, it's gonna rain soon. Brilliant. I have been struggling with waking up for a while. Like ever since I started trading, my time's been all over the place. And sleep's never been my greatest aspect of trading, to say. So recently I've discovered this new system of waking up. I'm going to speak this into existence, that this will be the last ever system that I will need, and that I'm going to share publicly with how I'm doing it. And it makes sense. So if you think about a plane, okay, we'll get an emoji of a plane. Okay, think about a plane, and this plane is flying and it's got to land within this area. So before, I used to set one alarm at, let's say, 7 o'clock. So I'm the plane and my alarm is at 7 o'clock. Let's say here it's 7 o'clock. Okay, this is low key. So this is me coming into sleep, and as soon as I touch down, bang, I've got one alarm to wake me up. Now, unless you're a very skilled pilot, having this much runway is not going to wake you up, or you're not going to be able to land within just this much runway. That is why planes have long runways to wake them up / land on. They've got more flexibility with how much space they've got. So instead of waking up and putting an alarm at 7 and expecting to just instantly stop when you get here, you set multiple alarms, one after the other, giving yourself, well, me personally, I use a 15-minute runway to say. So I've got 15 minutes. So this is 7 o'clock. This is 7:15. I'm the plane. If I don't stop here, I can keep going and keep going and keep going. I can wake up at 7:07 if I can do that. Let's say I've had a rough night's sleep and I drift past this much runway and then finally stop here. Okay, I've ignored all these alarms but then woken up here because I've got that space to do it. So I give myself a 15-minute window, 7 to 7:15. I'm flying in, touching down to wake up, and I've got all this runway to stop and to wake up. So I've developed a system on my phone. I don't know if I'm going to be able to share it with you. Let me have a look. It's called Landing Strip V1. I'm going to screen record doing it now. And I'm going to send it to my MacBook. So, as you can see, Landing Strip V1. What time would you like to get up? Say 7 o'clock. And you press done. And you get a notification saying the alarms are set. You can go into clock, and as you can see, you've got an airstrip of 15 minutes. And then you can say to Siri, delete all alarms, and it clears it. So yeah, that's Landing Strip V1. This is the coding for it. Pretty fun. I'm going to screen share this video now to the Mac so you can see it. But yeah, you guys might think this is just complete waffle, but I know a lot of people are struggling to wake up as much as I used to. So this system has really helped. So this is the screen recording of Landing Strip V1. As you can see, I don't think you'll be able to hear my voice, but this is shortcut. What time would you like to get up? And then pick a time. I would like to get up 7 o'clock. Alarm is set. I can then go onto my clocks, and all of them are set. So I've got a 15-minute time window to wake up. So that's kind of the system I've developed. So yeah, and then you can say Siri delete all alarms to instant clear them all instead of one by one. But yeah, this is the coding for Landing Strip V1. I did edit this coding from another system, but yeah, that's the system I developed. So if you do want it, then let me know. But yeah, so I don't need to waffle too much on this video because it is pretty self-explanatory, but hopefully this helps. I know a lot of people don't speak about their sleep. Trading might be the only video I've seen speaking about how to wake up, because it is a big part of trading. But yeah, that's a system that I'm speaking into existence will allow me to wake up. It's already been working this past week or so. Yeah, it's gonna be the one system that I use. And before I was just adding them manually, but for me, if I make it fun, make a system out of it, make it automated, it normally sticks. So yeah, this is why I believe this will be the last system of waking up I'll ever need, because I've got my landing strip method. So yeah, hopefully you guys learned something. Hopefully you can take something into your own lives. For those that think it's absolute waffle, then, you know, cool, you're entitled. But those that actually needed it, this is what I've been using and it's been working. So yeah, see you guys in the next video, and peace.